We want to Canada because of our kids. We want to provide a better situation for education of them.
Being a new immigrant here in Canada, it's hard.
My mom came into Success into this KY Lee Simon Care Center for 4 years now.
We are meeting in Winnipeg, so yeah, we are making family to come here together in 2009.
We came from the Philippines and we landed here last June. We proceeded into this agency, Success. We know very well from my husband that this is the immigration and integration program where we will learn many things for our journey here. It will be really difficult if there is no such agency or organization like this.
For me, it's not just a typical institution where it's very medical model or hospitalized. I want to find a place where my mom can feel welcome and can be part of the community.
They helped me with the tuition for the consolidated clinical preceptorship, and not only that, they helped me with the housing and food allowance.
We booked an appointment with one of the settlement counselor there. We asked many things and we get very guide from her. For example, how we can apply for health card in BC and what should we do for finding a job.
I recommend, the people like me, if they needed help, they can go to Sussex, they ask for help, everybody they can help them.
3, 2, 1.
Yes.
Congratulations!
Success is creating a world in which every immigrant
has the opportunity to realize their full potential in Canada.
They have Asian roots with an open heart.
Success leveraged the expertise in providing comprehensive services
To serve all immigrants.
Success is an open, collaborative, accomplished leader of change.
Thank you, Success.
Thank you, Success.
Thank you, Success.
Thank you, Success!
Thank you, Success.
Thank you, Success.